Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. This is Honda HRV today. In some regions it is called Honda Vezel as well, the hybrid variant. We have this without hybrid version, and you can see I have this original system that came from factory. We have removed this and installed the 9 inches display in the screen that is totally compatible with the factory steering wheel buttons. Here you can see the backup camera. So here is the original backup camera that's working with the sensors. The car came with the sensors from factory, so you can see how the sensors are working. So we can park the car. Then if your car has some other options like vehicle settings, it is showing the climate panels as well. For example, here you can see everything is coming on the display. Then again we have if we go here, we have some trip information, same like on original head unit. Like here we have the climate function. You cannot turn off from here, but it's only for taking signals. Here is the fuel consumption, history information, history B, setup. In the setup you have some original systems like 360 panorama, vehicle personalization, compass, cameras. So if you have 360 camera or any other camera, so you can check the settings from here in the vehicle settings. If we go to the home menu, first of all we have some pre-installed applications like Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, Zendex Navy. This is the wallpaper. You can change wallpapers as well. You can do all kind of customization. We have this Apple CarPlay. Right now my iPhone is connected here. You can see all my Apple applications or iOS applications that support Apple CarPlay are available here. So you can see we have Google Maps. You can use the Google Maps. You have the Waze available here. Everything you have in your mobile phone, and it is compatible with CarPlay. It will appear directly on the screen. So here you can see we have all the applications. We have the Swedish radio. So there is the channels option. So we have different channels for listening. So you can so my channels are working. If we go to the back option, so here is the back. Right now we have the buttons here as well, and if the car lights turns on, so the night mode is automatically activated. And here you can see we have the illuminated side buttons. So right now we have the daytime, so we have turned off the lights. So if you have the auto, it will work at auto as well. So it's directly compatible with the car original system, with the CAN bus. So that's the screen we have. We have a music player. From the music player you can play some music files. We have all kind of music pre-installed here. We have the video application. We can watch video while driving. So for example, here is the QLED screen. You can screen the quality of the video or resolution. Then we have original radio as well. If you want to listen radio, you can listen the radio from the radio application. We have some other kind of applications that are pre-installed like App Store. We have Chrome, Equalizer, Fan, Play Store, Spotify, Netflix, Touch Assistant, or any other kind of application you want. You can download it from the Google Play Store. So that's the car for today. Here we have the original unit, and this is the Android that is working with all the original systems in the car. So for example, here is the camera. If you don't have any camera installed in the car, so you can replace the camera with the better one. So we have the HD cameras from Sony brand. So they are very good in quality, and resolution is 1080, so they are directly compatible with our screens. So that's the video for today. See you next time, another video. Bye bye.